There you go. Thank you so much for coming out tonight. I don't know if y'all know what you're here for, at least for me, but I am meant for bigger things. So this is my all-in-one submission tape that I'm making right now for 3 different reality shows. The first of which is 16 and Pregnant. The second of which is Toddlers and Tiaras. And the third one is, of course, America's Got Talent. They might as well just call it Krystal's Got Talent, you know what I mean? So let's just start off with my 16 and Pregnant section. Okay, so go ahead and hit that. Krystal Messer, a 10th grader and real Southern belle from Pascagoula, Mississippi. Pascagoula is about 150 miles east of Kent, Louisiana, the home of one Miss Britney Spears. Britney and I have many things in common, the least of which is not that we are both too special for our small southern towns. I spend all my free time with my fiance, Enrique. We've been together almost 7 months now. He used to work in a hospital until he got caught stealing tanks of nitrous oxide and selling it in balloons outside of his van. Once his probation is up and I graduate, we're planning on heading out to Hollywood where my star can shine bright. But things have looked a little dimmer lately since we found out I'm pregnant. Now, Enrique could not make it for this taping, but here's some things that you might hear around our house. Stop feeding the baby flaming hot Cheetos. Tell your mama to put some pants on. I swear to God, I will put your head right back through that hole in the drywall it came out of. I love you so fucking much. In closing, I hope you will choose me, MTV, for your show, 16 and Pregnant, because I am 16 and pregnant, and obviously very pretty. Otherwise, I would not be 16 and pregnant. Thank you. Okay, that concludes this portion of the 16 and Pregnant audition. Now, I'm also going to do Toddlers and Tiaras, because I can tell this baby, with the way it's jumping around, it's going to be special and a star just like me. I will make this happen. So first we're going to start this out. Imagine my baby coming up on the stage to perform. Go ahead and hit that. Okay. And then there's me out in the audience doing it with her, make sure she knows what she's doing. Smile, baby, smile. Awesome, okay, next. Hit that. Just go ahead and hit that. Just okay, it's done with that. Okay, and then we get to the confessional part where, so like, I'm in the back room right now. I'm making her up and I'm like, God damn it, Angelina! She is not listening to me today. And then I have my confession. I'm like, you know, I don't mean no disrespect to the Jews out there, but little baby Jesus, when she was in my belly, he must have split my soul in 2 and put half of it in that child, because I watch her on stage and it's like I'm up there. It's like I'm feeling the same things. And it's like we're just connected. It's like me up there. You know, so yes. And then we get to the final bit, right? Drink your go-go juice, girl. And now, the grand supreme winner, Miss Angelina Enriquez. Baby, I love you so much. You're so special and so beautiful, and you are a winner, and that is why I love you. And that's my audition for Toddlers and Tiaras. Okay, now, the final audition. I saved the best for last. This one is for America's Got Talent, because I got talent. I got many talents. So I'm going to tell you right now how special I am with a song called Special from Avenue Q. So if you would go ahead and hit that, please. Okay, now imagine this is where I come out in my big pretty dress with all sparklies and stuff and probably no bra at all. It'll be amazing. So, okay. And then I come out and I strut and I'm like, hey, look at me, Howie Mandel. And then that's when I start doing my tattoo. Oh, not yet. I can make you feel special when it sucks to be you. Let me make you feel special for an hour or two. Your life's a routine that repeats each day. No one cares who you are or what you say, and sometimes you feel like you're nobody, but you can feel like somebody with me, 'cause I'm special. This is where I do more of my tricks and things. I'll be better at that one later. Was this your card? Was this your card? When we're together, the earth will shake and the stars fall into the sea. So come on, baby, let down your guard. When you go to the bathroom, I'll slip you my card. I can tell just by looking that you've got it hard. Especially hard.